Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I, Ravindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College, Batho, am taking the class of Shastri second. Today we see another paragraph writing. Earlier we have gone through many paragraph writings. Paragraph writings is of 10 marks, which is very important for our coming examination. Today our topic is women education. Women are the important members of our society. No country can move on the path of progress without the contribution of his women. Women, therefore, are needed to be educated. Education for women is more important than for men. If a woman gets educated, her entire family gets educated, and educated women can look after her family and children in a better way. She can also contribute to the income of her family. She can practice and participate in politics and social work. She can perform her job more sincerely than man. Therefore, woman education is the need of the hour. Their education must be made free and compulsory. New women schools and colleges should be opened on a larger scale. They should be motivated and encouraged to go to the schools and colleges. They should be given monetary incentives and reservation in jobs. Their education is the demand of the day. The empowerment of women aims at giving women power to exercise autonomy over their destiny. Economic self sufficiency is a precondition for empowerment of women. Women should seek career for earning money. They should make full use of their talents to secure for themselves and their children the best of nutrition, education, and cultural life. Women are making strides in the field of science, academics, and public services. Their aesthetic sense is now appreciated by the society. The economic condition of women has considerably improved. Women are not for needle and hearth. Both men and women swim and sing together for forwarding their family and their society. The 20th century witnessed the upsurge of protest for women in democratic countries. A new way of thinking emerged which put accent on the effective role of women in society. The upsurge of feminine movement has undergone a qualitative shift from securing emancipation of women to facilitating empowerment of women. The women are not inferior to men. in intellectual capacity or emotional stability and can perform as men in social and economic activities. In this day, women utilizes utilize their whole or full capacity of power and knowledge. Earlier, there are our society which is man dominated. Gone are the days when men determined the fate of women. Men fought wars and ran the industrial enterprises, but in these days, women also fought wars and ran the industrial enterprises. They arrogated to themselves superior position and gave all things in a good manner, but in olden day, women man dominate over women and gave women subordinate role in the social and economic activities of communities. The liberal thinkers voiced protest against harassment of women and espoused equality for women. It, look, it took a long spell to fructify in legislation. Women are given the right of vote in 1921 in the imperialistic England.